Okay, I will sing and El and Daniel will sing tomorrow. Okay. Good. Okay, ready? Ready about the song? So I will translate for you later, okay? I will translate for you. I think those of you who were in my advanced function class, you remember this.
Is that Persian song?
Persian song.
Oh.
Persian song. Ready? So the name of this song is Blossom. Blossom. Do you know the Chinese word? Blossom. Means the flower. When the flowers blossom, right? Yes. So ready? شکوفه میرقصد از باد بهاری شده سر تا سر دشت آب و همیاری شکوفه های بیقرار روز آفتابی به صبا بوسه دهد این دل آفتابی ای شکوفه خنده تو گریه ها دارد آن روی زیبا نظریست روی ما دارد لا 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 لا. Okay, so we're gonna start again.